Say good morning, YouTube. Happy April. Good morning, YouTube. God, it's been a long time since I've said that. I should have picked a day that I was gonna sleep to start VEDA because I am exhausted. Exhausted, I tell you. Coffee. Yeah, I just didn't sleep well last night, but that's okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. It's VEDA. It's April. It's April Fool's Day, which is my cousin Melissa's birthday. She doesn't watch this, but that's okay. It is also Easter. Happy Easter. Got some stuff I'm gonna do with the dogs. That was the wrong cream. But I have to get it ready. And Kristen is making... She's gonna make some fried dough. I made the dough up last night, so that's where we are this morning. Oh, we're also getting ready to feed the dogs. So, we'll see what today brings. Happy VEDA!
Smack you.
I waited until you were done bending over. Let's get these dogs fed. Happy VEDA!
Want some dog food?
No, I already told them I made fried bread dough. Did you miss VEDA?
It's the correct response.
You did. I know you did. Because when we stopped doing it, you said, I'm going to miss it. Dude, I think we need to put the Christmas tree away. Well, it's Easter. Do we?
Don't break your hands, buddy.
Do we need to put the Christmas tree away? I know Molly loves that tree. Kristen must be cooking. Dogs are sitting patiently. I gotta put all those dishes away later. How's it going? Chef Stro. Ooh, that looks good. Yum, yum, yum. We don't have this very often. Maybe once every other year or so. But we do have the professional powder sugar tipper thingy. What's it called? Shaker. Words escape me. Nothing but the best for Easter Sunday breakfast. Fine china. A la Dixie. Easter egg hunt, and they're all staring at us. Do 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 do. Ba-ba. All right, it is 11:30, and Kristen made breakfast, as you saw. So I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up because we still have the dough out, the bowl she used, the deep fryer, fry daddy, whatever that's called, breakfast dishes, her teacup, sugar and cinnamon. That's how it works. She cooks, I clean. No, I'm just kidding. And then I have to tackle this. These are, I've been sewing, and I want to do an inventory of my patterns. So I brought down all the dress patterns, and I'm going to start that. And I actually also went to Joann's yesterday for their 99-cent sale, and I have some things I need to put away. But first I need to clean up the kitchen, and then I need to fold up some towels, and I still need to make the bed. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure that I actually told you where Kristen went. Kristen went to metal detect for a little while because it's a little warmer today. I don't know what it is. I think it's in the mid to high 40s, and it's clear and not raining, which is good, and the ground is thawed. So I think that for her birthday, she won't watch this. I think for her birthday I'm going to try and get her a higher quality metal detector, because she really likes going out metal detecting. And the one she has is great to find out if this is something that you're interested in, but it's more of a toy than a metal detector. So I think I'm going to go up a couple levels, nothing like thousands of dollars or anything, but spend a little bit more money. If I start putting money away now, I'll have plenty of time to get her one for her birthday. So I've got the dishes done. The fry daddy is cooling. That just needs to soak for a few minutes. Still have to do the porch. I got the counter cleared off. Those are her finds from yesterday. She found a horseshoe and a big long steak. And now I'm going to go fold the towels and make the bed. And then I'm probably going to sit and knit for a little while. And then I will tackle the first batch of patterns, going through them and inventorying them. And I want to do an inventory so that when I'm at the store for a 99-cent sale, it's easier for me to know, do I have it? And when I'm thinking of making something, they're very organized in my drawer. I have them in a drawer just like at the store, and I've separated them by what they are. But to just be able to reference it real fast, if I'm watching a YouTube video or something and somebody's talking about something that I really like, I can tell if I have it. So, and it'll be easier to make plans. And now I'm just blathering on. So, fold laundry, make the bed, knit a little bit, start the inventory, and then I might actually lay out some fabric and a pattern and cut out some pieces for a dress, but we'll see. I don't know how long Kristen's going to be gone. I need to change the battery in that clock. We are having dinner today, probably just at regular dinner time. We're having a ham dinner for Easter. Yeah. And I'm probably going to do some laundry. I mean, it's just another Sunday, which is totally fine. I'm glad that Kristen got out for a little while, and I was happy to do the dishes and clean up from breakfast. We work well that way. I did leave the trash on the porch for her to take out because our trash person, who is her father, she likes to have the trash done a particular way for him, so I don't mess around with that too much. So probably TMI. Gonna go do what I need to do.
I am so stoked because I just got permission from this lady that owns a horse farm down the road to come and metal detect on her property. She owns a ton of land. She says there are some old cellar holes. I'm so excited. So here's what I'm going to do first.
$4:30, still Easter, still April 1st, and we just had an Easter crisis. We are having ham, and we have no applesauce. Kristen ran down to the grocery store, closed at 3, the local store, but right next door is a Dollar General. So she ran in there to see if they had any. She went to Cumberland Farms first because we never think of Dollar General because we don't generally go in there. But she found applesauce at Dollar General. So, crisis averted. Kristen texted me from Dollar General with, they had a Barbie doll, a Belle Barbie doll, and she asked me if I wanted it. And I said, no, I don't need it. But that prompted me to go downstairs because I have some original Beauty and the Beast dolls from 1991. And I actually, they are so beat up, the boxes. I think I'm going to take them out of the box. Oh, I never thought I would do that. She's probably going to stay in. But I'm going to take them out of the box and put them on my desk. Big day. I've waited how many years for this, Kristen? 1991?
Yep.
How old was I in 1991? 12. I was 12. I'm much older than 12 now.
Not really.
Yes, really. I think Christmas...
Not mentally.
Thank you. I think Christmas Belle's going to stay in her box.
I think she'd be a great tree topper.
For our
Go Erin playing with her dolls.
Belle's dress is a little dirty.
She's already dressed them.
I transformed him. I don't
They're
like
not
him.
Transformers.
I don't like him when he's a man. I like him when he's the beast. I think the man.
This is old tape because it's yellowed.
And also, the elastic around the hair literally broke off into his hair.
This is Erin before she has coffee. You want your pink bunny baby? Maxie, look. Pink bunny baby.
Can you pause the TV for a second? You're so cute, Maxwell. Max, did you have a good Easter? Pink bunny baby. Molly, did you have a good Easter? How about you? Babe, did you have a good Easter?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the day? I mean, it's not over yet, but it's over for vlog.
Being here.
Being here.
Mm-hmm.
Bunny architecture. Bunny architecture. Is that how you say it? Architecture?
Pass me the dog.
Pass you the dog? Oh, the dog. How high can she go? Oh, I think you need the other bunnies. I think this was a good first VEDA. What do you think? We had fried bread dough, Easter egg hunt.
I love you, Dewey.
Cleaning.
I love you, Dewey.
Potentially metal detecting. Gotta look and see if you have footage. Potentially.
Fail.
I'm playing Animal Crossing if anybody wants to be my friend on there. Dewey, can you say goodnight, YouTube?
Ferociously hopping bunny.
Dewey, can you say goodnight for YouTube? He says, save me, YouTube.